Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine and getting this vlog started off. So if you watched yesterday's vlog, I went to the grocery store, right? I guess yesterday's vlog was the same vlog today, but it's just a different video. But anyway, I went to the grocery store and the whole idea was I was gonna like get random stuff to cook, but then I didn't cook in yesterday's video because after I left the grocery store, I had to go do some other things. But anyway, I'm gonna cook today. So that's pretty much what I got going on. The food I bought in yesterday's video, I'm gonna cook it right now. And what do I got going on today? It is another incredibly windy day here in Cape Town. I'm not complaining. I just gotta get used to the wind, and honestly, I'm not getting used to the wind. Other things that happened today, I was randomly walking down the street here in Cape Town, and it was this large group of tourists on the side of the street, and I was thinking to myself, why are all these freaking tourists taking up the whole street? Like, why are they just, I gotta walk out in the street with the cars because there's so many people, so many freaking tourists on the sidewalk, like why? And as I'm walking around this large group, and I'm keeping all my thoughts to myself, thinking, what are you freaking tourists doing taking over the whole freaking sidewalk? What happens? Subscriber comes up. Yo, what up? You don't read your comments. This was a freaking subscriber from Barcelona. That was really awesome. That was earlier today, but now homeboy Jermaine is hungry and I'm about to eat. So yo, let's get this video started. No, wait. Today we are cooking with Jermaine. Is that even a thing, cooking with Jermaine? I'm not making pasta this time. I'm not making ramen noodles. Anyway, let's go eat. Of course, your homeboy Jermaine is having a charge fest. I'm also uploading a video to YouTube right now. Believe it or not, the internet here is really fast. This is probably the fastest internet I've found in South Africa, like literally. And check out this hostel that I'm staying at. This place is pretty interesting. It's pretty cool. Oh, nice view. So windy, like the wind literally blows the chairs over constantly. Okay, this is the kitchen action we got going here. So I made some corn. Uh-oh, homeboy Jermaine is getting smart over here making some corn. That was super easy. You don't have to really add any ingredients except for water. You need a pot or pan to put it in, that sort of thing. Yes. Higher education is called YouTube. It's called Googling how to make rice. Yeah, how to make rice. Most people in the world know how to make rice, but I literally had to Google how to make rice. Here's the rice here. Oh, look at that rice. I'm actually making this because I want to make some vegetable fried rice, and to make vegetable fried rice you actually have to use day old rice. So I'm making rice today and I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow I'll make the vegetables and then add the rice from yesterday or the rice from today. I think you guys get what I'm saying. So next on the list is veggies. Oh my gosh, look at my head. It's like this big shadow like here. But yeah, we got the mushrooms. Mushrooms are your friend. Mushrooms are fun. And then broccoli. Broccoli has lots of protein in it. Believe it or not, broccoli has quite a bit of protein in it. Broccoli usually has more protein than steak. Google it. Broccoli, does it have more protein than steak? And then I gotta chop up an onion. Thing about an onion is the onion make you cry. Oh my gosh, this is very, very inexpensive. 150 rand. I'm trying to do the math in my head, but that's like about 10 cents or less than 10 cents. And then we got some garlic. Garlic is that thing that makes your breath smell so good. I love garlic, yo. And also garlic keeps the mosquitoes away too. Yeah, just to throw that out there. But check this out, you didn't hear that from me. Okay, just on YouTube trying to figure out what to do with this thing. And yeah, it's not so bad. It's pretty easy. I'm getting the hang of this thing called cooking. This is like my first time ever doing this. So really? Yeah, it's my first time ever doing this. I never cook, dude. Really? Yeah, I spend so much money on food. I eat out like every meal.
Oh wow.
So I'm actually trying to change that because I'm vegan. It's just so much easier to just go out and eat.
Wow, that's cool too. I like cooking.
You do?
I love it.
Well, I'm trying to learn how to cook.
Yeah, it's easy.
Horrible cook.
No, it's not so. It's quite easy if you know, only need, yeah, not even, there isn't even basics, it's actually easy.
Yeah, it's super easy.
And then you can also experiment and do your own dishes. It's pretty cool.
All right, back with your special presentation, cooking with Jermaine. I already got the mushrooms chopped up, broccoli's good, onions, those are over, garlic, we got that chopped up too. So next on the list is find something to cook all this stuff in. Let's see. Ah, perfect. Look at this pan. Okay, and there's also some peas in here I'm gonna add. So these are just mixed vegetables, frozen. There's diced carrots, green beans, corn, and fresh peas. So what I'm gonna do is take the broccoli, I'm gonna boil the broccoli, and then I'm gonna take everything else, and also a few of the mixed vegetables. We're gonna throw them all in the skillet, and then it will have the mixed vegetables with some rice, with a couple ears of corn. The corn's pretty much done already. So yeah, let's get this party started. Time to drop the broccoli in, and I won't cook the broccoli for very long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and then from there I'll add the broccoli to the vegetables that I'll make here. I kind of want to wash the mushrooms, so I think I'm gonna wash the mushrooms before I drop them in the skillet. I don't have to add anything like oil or anything, so I'm just gonna use the water from the mushrooms, and we'll just cook the mushrooms, and then we'll add the onions, the garlic, then we'll later add some peas, and then we'll add the broccoli, and then we'll have the rice with the mixed veggies, and we'll also have some corn. Yippee! Let's cut this down just a little bit. On 3. There we go. Then I'll let these cook for a minute, and then I'll add some green beans and everything else. Okay, so this is the cooking show. I don't know if I'm doing this correct, but I mean, how else am I gonna find out? I guess I gotta try, right? So here, looks like I'm just gonna go ahead and add some green beans, and let's add the rest of the toppings here. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I don't think I've ever cooked anything like this, ever. Like, it smells so good. It's all that garlic. I put 2 cloves of garlic in here. This is, oh my gosh, this looks so good. It smells so good. And then I add the broccoli next. Oops. I should probably use a spatula and not a fork, but this is the closest thing I picked up, so. Yeah, I'm gonna let these cook. This color looks beautiful. Look at all that veggies in there. This is gonna be delicious. This is looking good. And over here, let's check on the rice. Yes, the rice is ready to go too. It's time to eat. Holy cow, I better take a photo of this and show it to my kids if I ever have kids one day, because this looks like one amazing meal. I don't think I've ever made a meal so delicious. Well, it's been some time. Yeah, it's definitely been some time. So it's about time to do what people normally do, you know? Pull out my phone, take photos of the food, and then from there, post on Instagram, and then eat. Let's make this disappear. But I'm super eager to try this because I don't know how great this is gonna taste. It just looks like a bunch of vegetables to me. I also did not use any seasoning. Let's bite into this. I can already tell you right now there are a lot of onions in here, so yeah, but you guys aren't trying this is me. It's good. I can work with this. I gotta figure out some flavoring next and I'll be good to go. This is not bad. It's not bad at all. That broccoli's bomb, yo. Wow, homeboy Jermaine just made some food that was actually really, really good. And I also have rice for tomorrow, so I can make vegetable stir fry. To make vegetable stir fry, you need day-old rice. You have to like boil the rice on the stove and like put it in the refrigerator and then use it tomorrow. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And this was really the main event for today, but once again, you have to have day-old rice. And who has day-old rice sitting around? Like I actually don't, because I'm just backpacking traveling, but I get it. Like if you have a rice cooker at your house and you know, was cooking rice in your rice cooker yesterday, and then today you have rice from yesterday, so you can make stir fry today. Like, I totally get it, but once again, I ain't got no day-old rice. Anyway, we'll have to see what homeboy Jermaine cooks tomorrow. I definitely will not make a cooking video. Maybe I'll show you guys like a little 10-second or a 15-second or a 20-second clip. But for now, that's what I got going on. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.